I'm John Rampulla. I'm with Mississippi Power. I'm a Senior Environmental Specialist of products that we use through ESC Spectrum. We use Prism for our software, for our data acquisition and handling systems. All of our CEMS shelters are designed and built by ESC Spectrum. And all of our maintenance and services provided by ESC Spectrum by Service Tech. Exceeding expectations. The software, moving in the old days, it was calling software support. Now we moved to a help desk. In the beginning, it was new for everybody. But the help desk has helped a lot with managing issues and problems that we have, building new relationships with new engineers, service engineers that are on the software side. A really good example of, especially on the service side, we've had issues with systems that go out of service. It's all times of night, and since we're so close to Pensacola, it's really easy for the service technicians to come on site and help work with some of those problems. So our data downtime is really low compared to where in the old days we might have had somebody on site doing that work, and their experience was not as good as the experiences that we get with the service technicians. Ty Whitfield has been an asset to you guys and to us as well. He goes above and beyond our system. He does all our systems on the coast. Technology changes year to year. New regulations change year to year. It's a really great place to network, to meet people. You guys bring vendors in that showcase new hardware, so I learn a lot of things. Just talking with people over dinner, you learn a little bit about what everybody does in their own world.